And that's what people want.
I know, don't hear the waffle.
No waffle.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello and welcome. My name is Dan. I'm here with Kate from Kate Peterson Design, and we're going to be discussing the top tips on getting your home ready for sale. Kate, tell us a little bit about yourself and then we'll go into the recommendations.
Okay, fantastic. Thanks, Dan. Basically, I moved to Western Australia when I was 8 years old.
Sure.
And I've lived in the area, done my formal study here.
Mm-hmm.
I spent about 14 years overseas,
Yes.
living and working over there before moving back to Perth.
Sure.
And I then met my husband, and we have two young little boys
Beautiful.
who go to school locally.
Yes.
I have enmeshed myself into the local community with a lot of volunteering work. I pretty much am a born organiser, so I can't help putting my hand up to do all sorts of different things.
Excellent.
And obviously moved into Kate Peterson Design.
Sure. Okay. And what would you say, or what would you suggest to someone who is thinking about putting their house on the market this spring, let's say, or maybe into the summertime? So what are some of the things that they can do to get their home ready for sale?
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
So my philosophy is keep it simple.
Sure.
Fresh, clean lines, open up your spaces, and the biggest thing for me is let in the light.
Yes.
Presentation is key. You've got one sort of time to wow your buyer.
Yeah.
And I think first impressions make a really big impact.
Yes.
And can make or break whether or not a potential buyer is going to come back for that second viewing.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about street appeal? What are some of the things that people can do to get maybe the verge and the front of the home looking nice?
Fantastic. I actually think the outside of your home is often neglected. People do tend to spend a lot of time on the presentation of the inside of their home.
Yes.
I certainly think your front entrance is one of the most important areas of your home, because that's the first thing that a potential buyer is going to see.
Sure.
You know, weed the garden, lay down some new mulch, check that the light globes are working.
Yes.
Is a doormat, frayed? Do you need to replace it?
Yeah.
Are there chips on the door? All that sort of thing.
Fantastic. Yeah, good. And moving into the home, like are there some things that people can do that when people are wandering through, that they get a good sense that this could be their home versus walking into a friend's or friend of a friend's home going through?
Absolutely. I think the biggest thing for people to look at, and it's often hard to hear, but you do need to depersonalise your home.
Sure.
You need to remove your photographs, take down some of your favourite posters, maybe of your favourite football team or an old rock band that you used to love.
Yeah.
Remove the kids' artwork from the fridge, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
You certainly need to have a massive declutter. That's one of the things. You really do want to actually open up the spaces of the home. So I would say to my clients, any area that can collect dust, so that might be a vanity, a bookcase, the kitchen bench, shelving, anything like that. Have a good declutter and only keep out the necessary items that you need.
Yeah, great. Fantastic. All right. Look, guys, I hope you got some value out of that. If you have any questions for myself or Kate, please comment below and share with your friends if you see some value. Thanks so much.
Thank you.